Alright guys, today we have a sport camera, portable sport camera. So here's what comes in the box. These are pretty cool because you can take it with you everywhere and you can record your everyday life if you want. You do sports, if you do whatever any content that you're gonna show, you can take this little bitty camera with you and it works perfectly, convenient, super small. Is the camera, has a little almost an inch big screen. It records on 1080p, has a long battery. Let's see what else comes here. Has this linear that you just put it on and you can magnetize the camera to it and have it wear here, or you can take this plate, get it close, shorter, and put it by whatever you want that you want to record. You can even put it around your pet's collar and then stick it so you have a POV of your pets when you're there running or whatever. USB-A to USB-C cable comes with it. It has more linears that you can put. This looks like you can use it for your wrist or around something. It has a little cable that you can run through this right here on top, and you can hang it. Has one for your wrist. Has a holder for your bike or your vest or anywhere you want to put it on your, or whatever you want, whatever point of view that you are looking for, this can do. You can put it anywhere because it's so small. Has another one here with a screw here, so you can screw it to your tripod or anywhere that you can get a different point of view. And manual that tells you what every button does and what it takes. And I'll tell you right here too, has every function that it does. It comes with mounts, different type of mounts. That's really cool. So you can mount it everywhere. You just take whatever you want to do. It's for like your wrist, or you can mount it on your bike, or you can mount it anywhere that is you whatever, like I keep saying, anywhere that you want a different point of view, you can set it there. So I definitely recommend it. It has a whole bunch of them. Has three, so you can stick it to anywhere you want to put it. More handles. This is for your handle on your bike or fence or anywhere you want to set it up. Definitely recommend it. So small, 1080p. You can do it when you're going to skydive, do any type of sport, baseball, basketball, because it's really sticky and it's so small that you can just put it somewhere and won't fall. On this one, at least too, look, it's very hard. It won't come off. You can clip it somewhere, and then you have that point of view. Plus, it's magnetic, so you can put it anywhere that there's metal. You can see here. Let me see. Well, it's not easy to take out. Has a power button here, says hello, and then you can see it here, what it's recording, and it's third person view. And it comes with a 64 gig card, micro SD that you put here on the side. Yeah, this little camera is pretty good. I like it. I already have one that I was testing it with, but yeah, USB right here, USB type C to charge it and to take the videos out. So to take the videos, you just plug it on your computer and then it'll pop up and then you can take all your videos out. Or if you have a micro SD reader, you can take the footage from it and then put it on or you can take the card from it, put it on your reader and take them out like that. So to record, just press OK and it start recording. You have to press it, hold to start recording, and then to take a photo, then you just press it once. If you can see here, this is the video quality. I'm talking to it right now. I'm going to take this out of it so you can see the quality. It's 1080p HD, so it's very convenient. It's going to be bright, so definitely recommend it. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.